Flood advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of central Indiana, including the following county: Rush. The hazardous conditions are expected until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected: river or stream flows are elevated, mainly along the Flat Rock River. Additional details, at 10:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, minor river flooding is already occurring in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rushville and Moscow. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. And now